Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video I'll show you how to add a vertical timeline to your Blogger website. So this is the design that we're going to add. This is how it looks. We can see we have all the events over here, and this is a timeline. On the left side we can see the date, and we also have an indicator of which of these is being highlighted, and we also have a different box shadow over here for each of the events when they are hovered. You can add a timeline to your website when you want to show how you created a project, and you can mention all the different stages that your project went through, and also these dates over here, so that the visitor can get to know how the project was created. So timelines are basically displayed in a lot of different websites with different kinds of designs. Now this is the design that we created from scratch, and if you want to learn how to create this from scratch, you can watch my previous video. I will leave the link of the video in the description below. So let's get started. So here I'm in the dashboard of my Blogger website, and this is how the website looks right now. We have one of the default themes of Blogger applied to this website, and we also added some customizations to this blog. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's create a post. So just go to posts and then click on new post, and we'll add the timeline in this post right here. So first of all, we'll add a title. So we'll type timeline of our project, and you can add some text over here. Right, we have added this line of text over here. Now after this we want to display the timeline. Now because this timeline is a custom design, you have to add the HTML and CSS to your post. So let me open the project. This is the source code of our design. You can find the link in the description below. So we will just copy everything from this timeline container. So we'll copy from the start of this division to the end right here, and then we have to copy it in our post. So right now this is the compose view. We cannot add HTML right here, so we have to click on this icon and click on HTML view. Now here we can see the HTML of our paragraph is being displayed over here. Let's just go below the line and we'll add our HTML right here. So we have added the HTML. Now let's go ahead and click on publish and confirm. So let's view our post and see how it looks right now. So here we can see this is how our timeline looks right now. We have this paragraph over here, and then we have this timeline. Now for this timeline to have the correct styling, we need to add the CSS as well. So let's go back to our dashboard and we'll click on theme, and then we'll click on customize. And if you go down, we have this option called advanced, and you can click on that, and here you will have an option called add CSS, and if you click on that, you can add your CSS right here in this text area. And once you add the CSS, you can just click on this save button, and the CSS will be added to our post. The other option is to go to the edit HTML. So you can go to theme and then click on this arrow and click on edit HTML. Now all our CSS is written inside the bskin, so we'll just go to the end of the bskin tag. So just press Ctrl F, and you can search for the end tag of bskin. So type /b:/skin, and we can see this is the end of the bskin. So just before the bskin ends, we can add the custom CSS. So let's go to the CSS file, and let's copy everything from here, and let's paste it over here. Alright, now let's click on save and see whether it works. Let's refresh our page. So here we can see that our timeline is almost working, but we have some minor problems in our design. The fonts are not being displayed correctly. Here we can see we have a different font, and it's not being displayed over here, and also the color of the text is not correct. We have a lighter color over here. So let's fix those two things. Let's go back to the edit HTML, and first of all let's fix the colors. For the S2 we have the correct color, and for the event we will add a color of black, and let's save it, and let's refresh our page, and now the color is working alright. Now the last thing is to update this to the correct font. So let's go back to the theme code, and let's scroll all the way to the top. And if you go back to the HTML of our design, we can see that we had added the link of the Google Fonts over here. So let's copy this link from here and let's paste it in the head section. So this is the head section. We can paste it anywhere over here. So I'll just paste it right here and let's save it. We have some errors in this line. So this is basically XML. So in XML you have to type &amp semicolon for this ampersand symbol. I'll add it over here as well. Alright, now it should work. So let's click on save. Now we can see that it says update successful. Now let's go back to our post and let's refresh our page. And now we can see that the correct font is being displayed and everything is working alright. And this timeline is also responsive. So if we view it in a mobile device, this is how it looks. We can see the date has moved up. So that's basically it for this video. In this video I showed you how to add this vertical timeline to your Blogger website. I will leave the link of the source code in the description below so that you can just copy and paste, and I'll also leave the link of the video where I designed this from scratch. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.